Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your phone if you know the password of the phone, and you can do it in an easy way. You first put in the password to remove password and access settings. Then after seeing your apps, then you go to settings, you go on about, then you click on reset. If you want to reset network settings, it's here. You can reset the network settings from here. You can reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or other networks. Like if it's not connecting well on the, like when you want to call, the network is not fair. So here it's where you can click and reset all, get your data. Then to remove all the data, photos, videos, or what, and applications, you click on factory data reset. Then you see your email to be out of the phone after clicking on it, and they are saying Google account, system and app data, device settings, downloaded apps, all will be erased from this phone. Here you click on reset. You put in the password, then you delete all. It's now shutting down. You have to do this when your phone is really totally charged, like 30%. You can see now it's powering on. Sometimes it takes too long. You have to be patient on this because I had to skip on the video so that it doesn't take too long. So just try to be patient until it powers. See there, it's showing Android optimizing apps. You have to wait for it. Just try to be patient.